Ready? Go get it. Get it. Get it, lady. Where are you going? You riding shotgun? Or are you going for a ride? Yeah, you like rides, huh? Rolling through the corn acres today. Got one field finished up and moved into the next one. Getting along pretty good. Coming in nice. Well, sitting here waiting on the truck to get back. Let's take a look at the grain sample, see what she looks like today. That's pretty good. Got a few cobs, but it looks pretty good. That's what we like to see. Got the grain cart full. Can't fit much more in here, so we're gonna have to wait it out. Dang.
Visit Cintas.com. Oh, I'm ready! Get ready for the workday.
With other language learning apps.
Another day done.